Have you been searching for a modern, custom-built home with no HOA? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly that here in Port St Lucie. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Raphael Gonzalez. I'm a realtor that specializes in new construction. I work with all of the builders here in Southeast Florida and help people just like you find the right home and find the right community while personally working with and representing you throughout the entire process. If you'd like my help and to leverage my knowledge, experience, and resources when buying or selling your next home, I'll have my information up on the screen and you can reach out to me directly. So this model has that iconic modern farmhouse style and is going to give you 2,200 square feet under air as a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, and other thoughtful custom features like the wood carpentry, the summer kitchen on the lanai, hurricane impact windows, and spray foam insulation. You have plenty of room for a pool on a quarter-acre lot with more space from your neighbor. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call home. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you'll be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance. So if you are interested in this home or something else like this here in Port St. Lucie, you can reach out to me directly and I would be able to help you along the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build, and represent you when buying or selling a home here on the Treasure Coast.